Hello YouTube and welcome. In this video I would like to do with you the unboxing of this booster from the set Secrets of Power, and this is for the Star Wars Unlimited game. So let's see what we can get in this one. We have Mon Mothma. Here we have the other side. As a base, Mount Tantis. Nice art. And the other side we have a experience token. Now we have unauthorized investigation. Rexian Assemble. Cruel Commandos. Alderaanian Envoys. Dracelian Commander. Thief Assassin. Nice art. Beguile. FN Trooper Corps. In hyperspace, Lurking Snub Fighter. Beautiful. Thailander Shuttle. AAT Incinerator. Nice art. Another great image from A New Hope. Beautiful. And a rare, we have Punishing One. Nice. And our foil, Premor Personal Carrier. Nice. So this is what I have to share with you. I hope you like it, you enjoy it. Until the next time, see you.